The ONN Android TV 4K UHD streaming device, Model 100-026240, is a budget-friendly yet surprisingly powerful media streaming solution that brings smart TV features to virtually any television with an HDMI port. Compact and minimalistic in its black finish, this small dongle-style device packs a punch with 4K ultra-high-definition support, delivering crisp, vibrant visuals with enhanced color and clarity, ideal for modern TVs capable of showcasing HDR content. Built on the Android TV platform by Google, it offers a clean, intuitive interface and access to thousands of apps on the Google Play Store, including Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Hulu, Prime Video, HBO Max, and countless others. The device also supports Chromecast built-in, allowing users to cast content from their Android phones, tablets, or Chrome browsers directly onto the TV, providing a seamless multi-screen experience. One of the key highlights is the included voice remote, which features built-in Google Assistant integration. With a dedicated Google Assistant button, users can easily search for movies, control smart home devices, check the weather, or even get answers from the web, all hands-free. The remote also comes with quick launch buttons for major streaming platforms like Netflix and YouTube, speeding up the process of jumping straight into entertainment. The setup process is simple and user-friendly. Plug the device into the HDMI port of your TV, connect the included high-speed HDMI cable, power it via the included USB cable, and go through a quick on-screen setup that includes signing into a Google account and connecting to Wi-Fi. Despite its low price, the ONN Android TV 4K device supports Dolby Audio, ensuring high-quality sound to match the visuals. The performance is surprisingly snappy for such an affordable product, thanks to its quad-core processor and efficient Android TV operating system. It supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it easy to connect wireless headphones or game controllers, and the compact design keeps your entertainment center clutter-free. The included high-speed HDMI cable ensures that users can enjoy true 4K UHD resolution without additional purchases, which adds to the device's value, ideal for secondary TVs, guest rooms, kids' rooms, or as a gift. The ONN streaming device excels at turning any dumb TV into a smart one. Whether you're a cord cutter looking for an inexpensive streaming solution or someone upgrading from older streaming sticks, this device holds its ground well against more expensive options like Roku or Fire TV Stick. It's also an excellent choice for those deeply embedded in the Google ecosystem, thanks to its seamless integration with Google Assistant, Google Photos, and the Google Play Store. In terms of usability, Android TV offers advantages such as customizable home screens, app recommendations, and support for multi-user accounts and profiles.